You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2.
All right, go ahead and take out your math books. We are on this page right here, page 145. Okay. Now, right here at the top, we have some summas. That has 4 numbers on it instead of the usual 3 or 2, but I'm sure you can figure it out by now, right? Don't forget, you always start on this side, and then you put the number in the 1s down here, the number of the 10s up here, okay? All right, go ahead and do that. All right, next we have, I want you to write down these numbers here. So I'll do this first one with you. If it has 6 10,000s, 1,000, 3 hundreds, 2 10s, and 9 1s, what number is it? It's 61,320. 61,329. Okay? So go ahead and write that number down. And then you do the same thing over here. And don't forget that you put a comma after between the hundreds and the thousands. A comma between the cientos, the ciens, and the miles. Okay? Don't forget that. So go ahead and do these two. All right, next we have, well, you know how to do these by now, right? 2 summas, 2 restas using these numbers. Go right ahead. Okay, next. Now then, I mentioned a little bit about this on the test last week, and we talked a little bit about this yesterday as well. So here we have 3 temperatures and 3 things. We have some hielo, some ice. We have a pot that's boiling, so steam coming out there, and we have a boy. Of these 3 things, which one do you think is 212 degrees? De estos 3, ¿qué tiene 212 degrees? Which one? Well, it's going to be this one, right? Because it's the hottest. That's the highest number. This is the hottest. So we can draw a line from there to there. And then we talked about these other 2 yesterday, or this one as well yesterday. So see if you can figure out which one of these goes with which. Go ahead. Okay. And then on your back, no, they did not forget the questions. You're going to take out your regular. Now, listen very carefully, okay? Last year, I gave out this page as a test. And one of the girls who did this didn't listen, okay? She drew a picture. She drew a little house and a tree and some grass and a car. And I said, well, that's very good, Cassandra, but that's not what I asked you to do. I asked you to do this instead. And she cried, but she had time to fix it, and she did fix it, so that's a good thing. As you can see, there are a whole bunch of little dots around here, puntos. What I want you to do is take your regla and put it between any of these 2 points, entre de los dos puntos. So it lines up. Let's do this one and this one up here. Okay, you can do that. And then take your pencil and draw a straight line between those 2 points. Draw a line, okay? And then you can do, let's say, this one and this one, okay? Draw a line. And then this one and this one, or this one and this one. You can draw a line between any 2 points you want. You can draw as many as you want, or as few as you want. Okay, but try to do a lot. Okay, match up all these dots as much as you can, and then you can take your crayons or Crayolas and just color in all those little shapes that you made. Okay, there are no wrong answers for this part. Okay, unless you just ignore the questions and draw a picture like Cassandra did. Okay, just draw lines between these lines and color it in however you want. Okay? You can send me a picture on WhatsApp. I'll put up the nicest ones on the regular page. Okay? All right, well, there you go. You can go ahead and do that. You can take as long with that as you want, and then when you're done, you can move on to your English class.